Hi, welcome back to the breadboard and another quick mailbag. We've just done two, but something else arrived, and it's actually a Secret Santa. My fellow top members on the Element14 forum got together over Christmas and we did a Secret Santa to each other. It was facilitated by Element14 for getting the goods delivered and things, and we were given a limit on what we could spend. Just to keep everything fair for everybody. And my package, I don't know who sent it to me because it's a Secret Santa, has just arrived. So let's have a look what I've got. So here's the package. I've already just partly opened it just so we can get in a little quicker. And it's got a few things inside, so let's have a closer look. As I said, this is facilitated through Element14, so first things right off the bat, a few promotional items in here. So it's been wrapped, gift. I guess there's a few extras been put in here. Got some Ben Heck Element14 stickers. Element14 more stickers. Arduino Uno, fairly standard item. Let's pull that out a second. So here it is. Now, one of the things I've noticed with some of the Arduino items now is they're coming with plastic shields on the bottom of them. Just give me a second. I'm going to show you something. I know this isn't the time for it, but anyway, I just wanted to show you. This is a relay shield that I got just before Christmas, and you notice this also has a plastic wrapper around it. And what I think these things will do is they're actually designed to somehow clip together as well. So I know that normally you would stack these on top of each other, but for whatever reason they've designed these plastic pieces to clip together, so you can see they don't fall off. Anyway, just a little minor observation on something that's doing. I'll have to investigate that to see what's what. But anyway, so we have an official Arduino Uno as part of my Secret Santa package. Very nice. Never have too many of those for different projects, because once you've got them hooked up, it's nice to be able to leave them in for a while at least, or to permanently enable them into a project. So that's that. We have the wrapped gift. So we'll have a look in that in a moment. And we have what looks like an Element14 robot. Let's pull this out. These are probably a couple of extras that Element14 added when they were wrapping up the gifts that the various top members had selected. So this looks like a little wind-up robot. Let's give it a go. See what it does. Should be interesting. There we go. Let's put it down. Okie dokie. Well, it doesn't walk or anything, but it looks like it beats its own drum though. Okay, let's just stick that aside. So, the main attraction, see what we have inside here. Never opened this yet, as you can see. So this is going to be the first time. Going to be a surprise to me, because as I said, I don't know who sent it out of the top members. We all put our name in to participate, and then Element14, the community managers, actually matched up the names to different people and just sent out who you were going to send the gift to, and then we would select the gifts to send to our we would be in the Santa, you know, so who we're sending it to, and then they would wrap it and send it for us and everything to coordinate the whole thing, which was kind of cool. And I know the person that the name I was given to, I sent a nice Raspberry Pi with case and power supply and SD card and things too, so I hope that they've enjoyed that, and they'll probably be doing a video or a post as well. So what we have here, let's just unwrap this, is a Codebug. Very cool. So This is Learn to Code. Okay, I don't think I've had a code bug yet, but that's what I have in here. So this is a educational device. It's a little bit like an Arduino, and I'm not sure if, I think it uses an ST micro processor. You can put a battery in the back. You can plug it into a breadboard or something where the head is at the bottom. These connections on the side can be used to put banana plugs in. They're the standard pitch, so you could put them in or clip things to. So you can do a bunch of different projects with it, and should probably be, if I remember these right, a battery as well for this, unless they weren't able to ship a battery with it. Nope. So you've got USB lead for programming and a quick start guide for the Codebug. So looks like download from the internet the UI for it. Uses a CR2032 battery. See, that's what I was talking about. We're using connecting things to the legs using banana plugs or something. Looks like you can hook up I2C devices and stuff like that. So very, very cool. Thank you, whoever my Secret Santa was, for sending that. And I look forward to having to play with it. So, Codebug. It's a little bit like the microbit that the UK has provided to all of their high school students of a certain age. Once they get to a certain year, they all get one so they can learn how to do some basic programming. Let me just grab a CR2032 battery and pop it in and see if there's anything pre-programmed into it. Be right back. Okay, got myself a new CR2032 battery, and it should just slide in the back. Positive to that side, so we'll just slide that in. Keep an eye on it as I do that, in case there's something. Oh, there we go. It's powered up. So there's, I guess, the starting demonstration, just driving the LEDs. I just pushed one of the buttons there. Doesn't change anything. Oh, that one does. It says button A. I guess that's the A button pressed, yep. Yeah, so the B button pressed, see if it does anything. Yep, all right, recognizes the buttons. So a little program's already pre-programmed into there just to respond to the two buttons. So very cool. Anyway, it was just a quick mailbag just to show what was in my Secret Santa package. And that's what it is, Codebug. Thank you very much. And that's it for now. So we'll have a little play with this in a future video. Bye.